Hey, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this introduction of a new Ryker channel, up and coming. You know my homeboy Stan, and he's starting a new channel for the Ryker called Rent Your Ryker. We got a little quick 3-minute tour of his garage. Thanks for watching. ThrillMouseMoto. And wow, is this a garage. Check out the logo, man. He just had some stickers made. Maybe if you give some shout outs in the comments, maybe we can convince him to give me a few to give away on a live stream soon. I don't know. I like any decal stickers and stuff that have like an actual Ryker on it. So way too cool. I'm all about it. But man, who out there has a Ryker and can recognize the importance of some of these tools? I mean, you just had that torque wrench there at the top. You've seen that in the ThrillMouseMoto garage. And you have that tool there, which helps get the panels off and most of the panels off all over the Ryker if you've had to strip it that way before and install lights or whatever else. And here's something that's pretty nifty to have that cancels out at least some of your dealership woes for the most part, just trying to clear codes. Something else you've seen in the ThrillMouseMoto Ryker garage, and that's the big blue lift. So he's got it all covered, and even the entertainment for Grandpa over here playing the bubbles, which I've never heard of this game before. Each one of those cabinets have like 12 games, I think, and then there's that open space for the Buck Hunter that was on its way at the time. And then of course you got to have the beverages going on. He definitely hooked the mouse up, got that Code Red and Mountain Dew, but gotta do something about that beer situation for sure. Got the cool sunglass cabinet there just to set the mouse's shades on them, so you can't beat that. But it does serve a better purpose of these tools, and you'll notice like the importance of a lot of these hex head type Allen wrench type stuff that if you're a Ryker owner, that's something that you need for sure. And a bunch of miscellaneous stuff, but everything. It makes me just want to like park over here and just take my Ryker apart, because it's got everything and it's organized. You know, that's the big thing about it. Lots of cabinet space like you saw for everything else. Lots of parts he's waiting on. He's got 2 Rykers, so look forward to watching his stuff. No razor blades. Oh, just see what your boy did. Yikes! Ah, that was bad, right? What was that? Oh, I did it! Never heard of this game in my life. I never heard of it. Thanks for watching, and keep a lookout for Rent Your Ryker.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.